Chapter 6. Stepwise Thinking. What is stepwise thinking? Every task we do is usually divided into certain steps which are required to be followed in order to achieve the final result. In other words, when you have a big task to complete, you try to divide that task into smaller and easy steps. This is known as stepwise thinking. You need to have the knowledge of the process to actually divide a task into steps. Reasoning. It is an act of thinking to derive the solution of a given problem sensibly. Problem solving. Problem solving is a mental activity related to intelligence and thinking. It is a process of generating a solution to a given problem. Creating steps to complete a task. Following steps is the key to complete an activity. But to actually follow the steps, we need to know how to create those steps in the first place. A procedure of steps needs to be followed, which are 1. Define the task. 2. Create small and easy steps. 3. Follow the sequence. The task becomes easier if we add sub-steps to the main steps, as it reduces the chances of making mistakes while following the main steps. Fact zone. In some tasks, the sequence of steps can be interchanged. For example, if you want to draw a fish, follow these steps. Step 1. Define the task. The task is to draw a fish. Step 2. Create small and easy steps. A. Take a blank drawing sheet. B. Arrange your pencils, colors, and stationery. C. Decide the type of fish you want to draw. Step 3. Follow the sequence. Now draw the fish with given simple steps. Art integration. How do you draw a dog step by step in your notebook? Step-by-step instructions. To understand the step-by-step process, let us take some examples. Plan a picnic with your friends. To plan a picnic with your friends, follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a picnic spot based on weather conditions. Step 2. Make a list of people who will accompany you. Step 3. Design invitations. Step 4. Send the invites. Step 5. Prepare a food list and distribute it amongst everyone. Step 6. Decide the dress code and wait for the day to come and have fun. Step 7. On the decided day, pack your food basket. Step 8. Get ready. Step 9. Reach the picnic spot and enjoy. Plan for a speech competition. Suppose you have a speech competition coming up next week. You must follow these steps. Step 1. Announce about the competition in the class. Step 2. List down names of interested students. Step 3. Tell them the topics for the speech, time of speaking. Step 4. Book the venue, inside or outside school. Step 5. Make sure all the participants reach the venue on time. Step 6. Start the competition. Step 7. Enjoy the show. What is looping? When one thing or one action is repeated again and again, it is called looping. For example, if you play on a seesaw in a park with your friend, you would observe that first you go up toward the sky and your friend is on the ground. After that you push down and are on the ground and your friend is towards the sky. Then you go towards the sky again and it keeps on repeating until you and your friend get tired. This is called looping, as there is continuous repetition of going up and down. In summary, problem solving is a technique to find stepwise solution to a given problem. Reasoning is an act of thinking applied to derive the solution of a given problem. Stepwise solution is always a good approach. Repetition of actions or steps is called looping.